Hello and welcome. From the 2022.4 version of Typhoon HIL software, Signal Access Management is included in Schematic Editor. Signal Access Management allows original equipment manufacturers to protect their intellectual property and safely share their encrypted libraries with end users. In order to keep developers' IP secured, encrypted libraries can now be even more protected using this mechanism. Once a model is ready for deployment, it can be locked and exported in an encrypted library. Any measurements that are not of interest to the end user will remain protected and visible only to the developer. An additional extras tab is added where you can secure access to the signals of components you develop. You can modify each component that generates monitoring signals individually. When set to public, signals are always accessible regardless of the context. When protected, signals are visible only to the developers. The inherit option means access rights are inherited from the closest parent component. By default, the inherit attribute from root is public. Once a protected user library is encrypted and exported, the component will be permanently locked for the end user. In this simple example, all measurements with the suffix dev are protected, while all other measurements are visible to the end user. This can be seen in the list of all signals in HIL SCADA. As you can see, only the output currents and DC voltage are visible to the end user. With Signal Access Management, you can now better protect your IP when you share your encrypted libraries with end users. Thank you for watching.